Good morning. We've been hiking for 20-25 minutes. Beautiful morning. Had a great night. It's windy all night, but no rain or anything, so it's all good. Dry trail this morning. It's pretty out. Headed to Tinker Cliffs and McAfee Knob. Complete the Triple Crown of Virginia. Should be a good day. Well, we're coming down to this highway crossing. You can see this construction site, and I'm going, that looks like a bridge. This looks like bridge supports. I wonder if they're going to build a bridge across here for the trail. That would be awesome. I don't know what the heck else it would be unless it's sort of a little rest area down here. They got a pretty big area set up for construction anyway. And there's what seemed to look like bridge supports. All right, the Girl Scouts get their due this time. Let me back up a little more and zoom out. Jennifer says it's a nice privy. Easy walking right now. We have a little over 2 miles to McAfee Knob. Seen a few southbound hikers, day hikers and section hikers, but it's been pretty quiet. I think 3 hikers passed at our tent that we saw anyway this morning, but we may want it being at the McAfee Knob by ourselves. Usually I think people have somebody else take their pictures so that you can get the full view, but from an angle a short distance away. So let's see what we do when we get there. I do have the little tripod if we need to use that. I see ya. View from McAfee Knob. The view from near McAfee Knob. I can still hear the graduates over there. There's I don't know, 8 or 10 or so high school graduates out there with their cap and gown getting pictures. Look at these views. About 10 minutes to 1. Jennifer wants to hit the 10-mile mark before we stop for lunch. So hopefully it'll be soon. And since we had limited resupply yesterday, won't be the usual lunch. They didn't have tortillas. So I believe my lunch is going to be Gardetto's mix and cookies. But tomorrow we'll be in town. Oh, Mom, we're going this way. All right, time to put the phone away. It's junk food lunch day. Having some grandma's cookies, some Gardettos, because the store didn't have any tortillas or anything else for lunch. Afterwards, I realized that maybe I should have bought a box of oatmeal and we could add, at least I could add oatmeal for lunch. That would have been a little better, perhaps, but one day won't kill me. Alright, let's get off this mountain. Well, I thought we were off the edge of the cliffs. Still on Tinker Cliffs the last, I don't know, a few hundred yards at least. Oh, there's some pretty flowers. It's not quite the dramatic fall or the dramatic overlooks we had just a minute ago, but considering we're in a rainstorm and it's very windy, gusty, I'm ready to move inland, get off the cliff. End of day recap, day 45. We hiked 20.5 miles across the parts 2 and 3 of the Virginia Triple Crown. We did McAfee Knob, amazing. Bunch of young, I guess, high school graduates up there. Get their pictures taken, so there was a lot of people up there. Must have been more than 15 people, I think, just most of them just hanging out. And then some hikers came in as we left. And then Tinker Cliffs. Tinker Cliffs was great, but not so great when it was raining. Honest, I was happy to get away from the cliffs.